Sing with steam, a whistle of boiling science. Tea kettles do more than heat water. They create sound, pressure, and steam dynamics. As water boils, vapor pressure builds and escapes through the spout, producing a whistling tone. Traditionally made from metal, kettles distribute heat evenly, turning kitchens into aromatic spaces filled with anticipation. Their design balances efficiency and safety, with handles that stay cool and lids that fit snugly. Beyond tea, kettles have been used for centuries in rituals, gatherings, and daily routines. Every whistle signals transformation, liquid water becoming vapor, warmth spreading, and senses awakened. Subscribe for more mind-blowing kitchen science hidden in everyday utensils.